guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to optimize your Windows 11 PC or laptop for smooth playback visuals on your PC. Okay, so for this guys, I'm going to show you some basic and very important settings to improve the video quality performance for your PC and laptop. So let's get started one by one. Okay, if you're using Windows 11 laptop, so first you need to disable the power saver mode, battery saver mode for your laptop. To disable it guys, open the Windows settings, go to system, and here open the power and battery settings like this, and if the battery saver is enabled, just you need to disable it from here. Okay, and here in the same page, here you can get the option power mode. From here you need to select best performance settings, okay, like this, and then it will helps you to improve your playback quality of your video. Okay, and in the Windows settings, go to system, go to display like this, and scroll down. Here you can get the display resolution, display orientation. You need to select the default recommended settings from here like this. Okay, and after this guys, scroll down and open the graphic card settings like this. Okay, from here scroll down and find out the video player, in which video player you're playing your videos. So I will play most of my video in the VLC media player, so I will open it, go to options. From here you need to select the graphic preferences to high preferences like this. Okay, and then click on save settings. That's it. Now it will definitely 100% improve the video quality smoothness for your videos on your PC which you are playing. Okay, after this guys, now you need to open the control panel on your Windows 11. In the control panel, open network and internet settings, and here open the network and sharing centers like this. Okay, from here open the internet options, go to advanced tab like this, and here you can get the option use software rendering instead of GPU rendering. Just you need to select this box, click on apply, and then click on OK. Now you can close the control panel settings and go to your video, play your video. Now it will definitely improve the video quality, performance, smoothness of your video. Okay, as you can see guys in my screen. So these are the easy and some basic important settings to improve the video quality, smoothness. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.